Are you an aspiring programmer or a seasoned developer looking to write and run Python code on the go? A Python editor app typically provides a mobile integrated development environment, IDE, allowing you to create, edit, and execute Python scripts directly on your smartphone or tablet. I've found such apps invaluable for quick prototyping, learning, and practicing coding challenges when a full desktop setup isn't available. Users consistently praise these apps for their convenience, the inclusion of a Python interpreter, and features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and sometimes even a debugger. However, common drawbacks often include the challenge of typing code on a small touchscreen, especially for larger projects. Many free versions are ad-supported, which can be intrusive, and advanced features like comprehensive library support, cloud syncing, or robust debugging often require in-app purchases or subscriptions. Performance can also vary for more complex scripts. Despite these limitations, for its core function of enabling mobile Python coding, learning, and testing, a well-designed Python editor app is an excellent and highly recommended tool for anyone looking to engage with the language anywhere. What's your thought?